Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Rolflex arm and leg massager. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want a really cost-effective way and simple way to actually go ahead and massage different body parts. So what you essentially have here is that this here acts as the base that you press down in order to stabilize it. And then you actually have the different massagers here, with one being a roller and the other side being a different kind of roller. So essentially how it works is your forearm, for example, can actually fit inside of here, and you basically just massage it back and forth like this. So it's adjustable to practically any body part due to this right here, where it could actually adjust. So I've used this on my calves, my quads, my arms, especially my forearms, just because we go rock climbing a lot. It's very lightweight. It is quite portable, and with it, I just throw it in my bag, keep it in my car sometimes after I'm done with the post-workout. And yeah, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.